Welcome back to the channel. So in this exciting one, we're really going to be talking about how you're going to get to um install Cisco Packet Tracer in your system. And getting to do this is pretty it's not really difficult, and it's not really as easy as it used to be. So it's just the simple steps. We're just going to come to our browser. We're going to search Cisco Packet Tracer, and then once we have this, okay, you can click on this or whichever. But the main thing that we'll get right into what it is exactly we're talking about. And then you have this. Let's just give it some few seconds. Okay. So you are going to have to log into your Cisco Packet Tracer account, and I'm just going to log in and then we'll continue shortly. So yes, we're here. Now, downloading or installing Cisco Packet Tracer is like I said, it's really not that difficult, as well as it's really not be all that it's both easy and just a little few steps that you'd have to take. First of all, you really have to create an account with the Cisco NetAcad, which is like their networking academy. And then you create an account, it's completely free. And then once you log in, you're going to find something like this. And then you must really have to complete a course for you to be able to take um be able to download the Cisco NetAcad software, and there is actually a very particular course you should which is like the intro to the networking course. I think it's about 2 hours, and perhaps why mine is seemingly uneasy to find. It could be because I kind of had, completed this prior. Let me update my search. It has a very first course, um, introduction to Cisco or something, and it's like a 2 hour course. Check, okay, you're going to see the system stack it's includes security enhancement. It's to use Cisco Packet Tracer. Let me see this here. Really, really, what's going on? Yeah, this is exactly what I was looking for, right? Um, you're going to find this course, so you could just come to um, just let's say download Cisco Packet Tracer. Uh, uh, maybe click on this. Yes. And then we're going to find this. And we really want to go for getting started with the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now, once we are in it, we have to complete the course to some level before we'll be able to actually get to download the Cisco Packet Tracer. This would be way easier for you once it's literally like your first time doing this. It's a little, they are kind of like hiding. This was kind of like a bit hidden from me because I had already completed. You can see I have the badge already. Here you see download and use the Cisco Packet Tracer. So in this module, you have to like complete this course. Once you do that, complete this course, you go through the welcome, first time in the course, then this feature opens up for you to be able to really kind of like access it. Let me see. Resume course. You can see I've completed it all. So we're talking about this first module, right? So you actually kind of like have to go through this course, and it was pretty enlightening course, and I enjoyed most importantly the tasks we were asked to do, right? So once you complete the course up to this level, then you'll be told that hey, you can now get to download the Cisco Packet Tracer, and this is you click here, you'll be redirected to their resources hub, where you'll be able to find the Cisco Packet Tracer to you know download. But if you don't actually complete up to that point and you were able to even get your way down here, even though it's you just got the URL from someone or somewhere, you won't really be able to get to download this port because here would actually like be unclickable. So we are using Windows, so this is 8.2.2 Windows 64-bit. So you just click on it here and you'd find your download going on here already. What we already have is just 228 megabytes, but we already have ours installed. So we can just come down here to our Cisco. Now, the moment your packet tracer is installed and the moment it's installed, you will still have the login pop up on you. You'll be asked to log in either with the skills for all, or you log in with or you get to log in with yes, your NetAcad Academy account. So whichever you choose, you can choose the NetAcad. Once you click on the NetAcad, it's going to redirect you to your web browser. Once you are logged in on your web browser, you would automatically be signed in on your NetAcad. And then that would always continue. So you have the liberty to choose, hey, I want this to be logged in for the next 30 days. Once you choose that option, you no longer need to, keep logging in whenever you want to use your Cisco Packet Tracer, right? And this is really our Cisco Packet Tracer. And you see, we can actually get to play around. Right here, we have like devices or stuff. So currently we are under network devices, and under the subcategory of devices, you see what type of network devices do you want, right? We have network devices, we have end devices, we have components, we have connections and all of that. Then this is and under the network devices we have routers. Then on the type of router you have various types of routers that you can choose from. We have switches, we have various type of switches you can choose from. You have hubs if you need that, wireless devices and all. This is where you can get your, you know, wireless or home router, Meraki, security appliance and all of that. Then for end devices, Another subcategory of same end devices, you have your PCs, you have your laptops, you have your printer, you even have a tablet and a smartphone, right? And if we come to the connector, connector has just two subcategories, structured cabling and of course your connections. So you can see that the wireless router is already even connected to our tablets, right? And here we have automatically choosing the right connection. This one is for console. This is copper straight through. Copper straight through is used for connecting um unlike devices, gigabit Ethernet to fast Ethernet, um, um, crossover. Crossover is used for connecting like devices, like router to router, and if you just okay, then all other connections are here. So this is just like an installation video, and now that we've completed it, hopefully the next video we're going to really talk about the Cisco Packet interface and how to really play around with this. Although I do not really think I really have to do it, because if you actually get to create your NetAcad account, if you do get to create your NetAcad account, you'd see that you'd actually get to learn all of these things, learn everything about the Cisco interface. You even get you know, a couple labs to try, very cool labs and exciting and interesting. So I think I would just maybe touch a little on that. But you could also get to do all of this simple stuff in your Cisco Packet Tracer. And if you actually face any issues or challenge, feel free to always, drop them in the chat or in the comment section, and we'll be there to always resolve it for you. So, all right, without further ado, I want to say thank you for coming this far. See you on the next one. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.